Hello, how are you KG3? I'm teacher Rhoda from Exo Pre and Primary School. Today, I'm going to take you through the lesson known as communication. Communication. In other words, communication means English. So, I'm going to take you through English lesson. Please let us go through it together. When you look up here, I have the word written this. So our topic of today reads as this. And our subtopic of today is uses of the word this. I repeat, our subtopic of today is uses of the word this. Where do I use the word this? I use the word this to refer to the things that are closer. The things that are closer to me to the extent that I can be able to touch them. I am touching this ball. Let us look at the example. I have example 1. This example 1, I have a hand with the finger stretched out. On the right side of this finger, I have a picture known as the ball. This finger is touching the ball. So I said that we use the word this when I refer to the things that are closer to the extent that I can be able to touch them. So I will read, this is a ball. I am touching this ball. I see this is a ball. Now let us look at example 2. I also said that we use the word this to refer to the things that are near. They are closer to the extent that when I point at them, there is only a small space left between the finger and the picture. So I have a cup here and the finger is here and I only have a small space left. So I say this is a cup. I'm holding a cup here, and this cup, I'm not touching the cup. I'm pointing at the cup. There is a small space left between my finger and the cup. So I say this is a cup. So in short, when you go to number 3, I also have my hand or a picture of the hand with the finger stretched out. And here on the right side of the finger, we have the picture known as chair. This finger is touching the chair. And I read as this is a chair. So here I have my example, the chair. And I'm holding this chair. And I am touching this chair. So I say this is a chair. Let us remind ourselves, I've said we use this when we have things that are close or near to the extent that I can be able to touch them, like I'm touching here, or when they are so close to the extent that I can point at them with only a small space left. My dear good children, let us look at more examples before we wind up our lesson of today. In here, I have a finger pointing at a picture known as the stool. This finger is touching the stool. So I read down there as this is a stool. I repeat, this is a stool. Another picture, another example, I have here a finger pointing at another picture. And that picture is a doll. So I see this picture is touching the doll, as you can see. So I see this is a doll. This is a doll. Our final picture or example of today is a finger with another picture which is called the pot. When you look at the picture properly, you see there is a small space left there. If you can remember where we use the word this, that finger is not pointing at, is not touching the picture, which is the pot. It is having a small space between the finger and the pot. So it is near. So I still say this is a pot, even though the finger is not touching the picture. So to finalize or to summarize, let us remind ourselves. This we use to refer to the things that are near, to the extent that I can be able to touch them, or I can be able to point at them with only a small space left. Okay, my dear good children, to make sure that we have a lot of activities done properly, please visit our website. We have a lot of activities and assignments for you. So go and download, and you submit them to our offices in our school, and we will return them to you. Please have a nice time. Thank you.